Hi everyone, Ian here again. So tell me, attitude too large, backward obstacle sensing not functioning. What does that mean and how is it actually helping you? Hello. So today is actually a very quick video just to answer a question that's been fired at me a few times over the last couple of weeks since I did my wind test. And that is, what does the message attitude too large mean? This is a message that pops up quite frequently when you're flying, especially if you've got a breeze or a strong wind. And some people are thinking that there's a problem with their Mavic Air. That's not actually the case. And in fact, it's helping you fly in a strong wind. Just before I get into the main video, a bit of a favour to ask, irrespective of review, if you can click the like or the dislike button below. That tells YouTube you're interacting with my video and it will help them suggest this video to other people, which helps the cause. So first off, attitude is not about your personal approach to flying, it's about the tilt of your drone. In no wind, when you're stationary, your drone is perfectly level. You've got two sets of propellers spinning one way and the other two spinning the other way, providing an up and down force. When you command it to move in any direction, the RPMs of some of the propellers changes to alter the pitch of your drone and it will fly in that direction. The trouble you have when you're in a strong wind is that the pitch required to fly into that wind gets steeper and steeper. And at a certain point, the obstacle avoidance sensors will become ineffective because they're either pointing too far down or too much into the air. This is one of the biggest differences between the Pro and the Air, because the Mavic Pro will maintain the pitch at quite a shallow angle to ensure that the sensors continue to function effectively. But in doing so, that will restrict the speed that it can achieve. Mavic Air takes a different approach. When it gets too steep, it will actually disable the sensors, either the forwards or the rear or both, to allow it to continue increasing its pitch, allowing it to fly faster in the direction that you've asked it to go in. Take a look at how the Air and the Pro differ in the wind test I did the other week. Quite quickly, you're informed that the attitude is too large, but note that the Air carries on at the speed that I want. It's not affected by the high wind and heads straight to the oak tree exactly as I've instructed. Conversely, the Pro is really struggling in the wind. There's no right or wrong here, as just two different approaches to the same problem here. Put simply, the Pro maintains a shallow pitch to ensure the obstacle avoidance continues to work, and in doing so reduces its maximum speed in a high wind, whereas the Air switches off the sensors, allows the pitch to increase even more and allows it to fly faster into the wind. So there you go, hopefully that's explained what this message is. It's not an error message, it is an information message. It's not a bad thing, I actually think it's a good thing. It's helping you fly at a faster speed in windy conditions without having to flick into sports mode. As ever, if you like this video and you like what I do, then click the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new one. And as ever guys, have fun and happy flying.